Hello! Today we're going to show you how to insert a photo into a Canvas discussion. Alright, so our first step is let's create a folder somewhere where we can keep all of these photos we're going to be collecting throughout the year. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to right click, click New Folder, and I'm going to name it Science Photos. That's a great name for a folder. Okay, so let's see. Let's say we've got an assignment here. It's a discussion. Choose an element and include a picture. Okay, easy enough. Let's go to Google, and I think I'm going to choose the element copper. All right, Google Images. These are all very nice pictures of copper, but I like that one right there. That's a nice one. I'm going to right click, Save Image As. Okay, and I'm going to call it copper. Where should I save it? Let's save it in that folder that I just created called Science Photos. And click Save. There it is. Okay, so now I've just saved this photo to my desktop folder. We go back into our discussion here. And let's see here. Maybe I want to reply right here. Okay. I like copper. Right here, this little button, it's called Embed Image. That's going to do exactly what it says. It's going to embed an image. All right. And so I'm going to click it. I'm going to click Canvas, and I'm going to put it in my files. So right here, it'll say Upload File. Okay, and which one? Right here, copper. Again, if this screen doesn't pop up, like let's say it pops up on your desktop, you've got all these different choices of where to look, and I'm going to choose my Science Photos, open it up, and there it is. And I'm going to go ahead and click Open, click, and what does it do? Yeah, file uploaded successfully. Look at that, there it is. Big and beautiful. I can adjust the size. I can drag one of the corners and make it smaller if I wish. I can make it real small, or I can make it big, whatever. And that's how this is done. Okay? Quick, easy, and efficient. See you soon. Bye.